Hello and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to utilize the WordHero keyword assistant. Keep in mind this is a feature that is still in beta, so it needs a little bit of tweaking, but overall you'll get a good idea about how it works. You will also need the editor in order to utilize this, so if you haven't gotten to check that out, be sure to check the link in the description. That comes with a WordHero very special deal. You get a great discount on that, but it's not going to be around forever, so keep that in mind. Now once we are in the editor, what we need to do is click on the arrow here, and this is where we can add in our keywords that we want to use. For this example, I'm just going to be talking about one keyword, but if you want to add multiple, you do one on each line. So let's just do driving range. This is going to be related to what I'm talking about here, add keywords. And as it says right here, select up to 3 keywords for blog paragraphs to include. If none selected, AI will use its own discretion. So sometimes I've noticed that when I click on it, it doesn't always add it in. I think I have more success when I don't highlight it. So I'm going to keep it at that. Like I said, it's still in beta, so it obviously needs some tweaking, but just to give you an idea how it works, if you wanted a paragraph to include that, what you can do is highlight this. You can click on the paragraph button and let's see what we get. So here we go. Golf is a fun sport to learn. It can be played by people of all ages and abilities. The best way to start learning golf is by taking lessons at a driving range. A driving range is a place where you can practice your golf skills. You can also buy a membership, which will give you access to the driving range at any time you want. Pretty cool, right? So what we can also do, just kind of like wordsmithing here, let's say we want a little bit more on there. What I can do is click on the write more and see what we get. Okay, so practice makes perfect. The point of practicing is get better. There's no magic, and so on and so forth. So we identified that. What I want to do is, let's say, create a new subheadline, and then I'm going to utilize a new keyword for it just to show you how that works. So give me one sec. All right, so what I have here is a subheadline. I put sinking golf putts will increase your confidence. So let's just say I want to say practice putting. I'm going to do add keywords. So that's going to be the next one I want to use. And this is what I like doing. I like going kind of paragraph by paragraph saying, this is kind of like the keyword I want to add for this specific one. And let's just go with it. So once again, I'm going to highlight this and click on the paragraph. Okay, so ironically enough, it kind of did it, but it did practice period putting. So, I mean, it kind of did, not directly, but that's something you can obviously edit it. That's what I've seen when it comes to this. In fact, what I'll do is I'll run it one more time. Let's say I wanted to have it actually a little bit better. So I'll go back there. Once again, I'm going to highlight this and let's just write it again. All right, so perfect. There we have it. Let's say that was going to be our headline just to make it official. Right? We would need an introduction in there, but this is just about the keyword assistant. In order to sink more putts, you need to have confidence in your ability. The best way to improve your confidence is through practice. When you practice putting, there it is. And you'll notice when it uses it, it gives the green check there just to let you know. You will be able to groove your swing and get comfortable with the feel of the ball on the green. This will help you relax when it comes time to make a putt in a real game situation. So overall, that's how you can use the keyword assistant. It is still in beta, so it has a little bit of work to get done with it, but it's cool that you can actually allow that in to allow the blog to not only flow towards what you want to write, but obviously include that keyword. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment down below. I hope that tutorial helped you out. And of course, if you haven't checked out WordHero, the link will be for you right down in the description. Thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you soon.